Punta kami sa Sydney, magko-cruise dinner kami. And we are now here in the Rooty Hill train station. Punta kami sa Sydney, Rooty Hill. Panik tayo sa station. Ayan yung mapa, parang New York.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Central.
Plan your trip.
First stop Doonside, then Blacktown.
Ang linis ng rail station nila. Meron pang parang kainan, parang mas maganda pa sa LRT natin. Yeah, sakay na kami. Papuntang Sydney. Ito na, rotate yung upuan. Depende, pwedeng baliktarin yung likod. Ayun, oo, nakakahilo yun. Ngayon, nasa labas pa tayo. Mamaya, tunnel na to. Lipat kami ng tren. Rental station. Lipat pa kami ng tren. Lipat kami, lumambig bigla. Kaya mainit sa kabila. Ito na station nila, oh.
Ha? Ah,
Bakit?
pero hindi ko tumapapunta.
Galing tayo rito.
Yung isang araw.
Saan nga mo? Wala yung CD Metro.
Yung
Ibang route. Bumaba na kami ng ng tren. Iba naman sasakyan namin papunta sa Sydney. Ganun ang buhay, malamig na. Dito kami sumakay sa tren. Ay sa hindi ko tawag nun. Nag-tren kami. After that, yung another train na yun. Punta kami dito sa Sydney Harbour. Ayan, takbo na kami. Takbo-takbo. Dahil kami mauhuli na. Ayan. Kami dito. Lahat kami. Pasakay kami sa cruise, then with dinner. Ito yung sasakyan namin. Diyan kami mag-dinner cruise. Ito yung pila. Ayan, nakapila na kami sa cruise. Ay yung aming boat. Ito na kami sa loob. Taas. Yung cruise. Ayan, nakapila na kami sa cruise. Ay yung aming boat. Ito na kami sa loob. Taas. Yung cruise. Kain na kami. Kain kami. Ito yung loob. Oh, hilo na. Ito yung loob. Ito ako.
Palamig muna tayo. Parang hindi yan nag-diretso ko yung pag ayun, sarang tulog na. Wala ba yung aga mo gumigising? Hindi, yung siyempre puyat ako, diba?
Ang Sydney Opera House. Yan, daming tao. Grabe. Tao.
Almost 20 years and was finished in 1974.
Carriers nila. Isa lang pala, tsaka destroyers. Galing Isang hangin. Lipad ang aking ito. Wow! Ayos. Saya nila. Saya, lamig.
Sydney ferry that was sunk during World War II.
Okay.
Used as a floating barrack.
Ganda oh. So ito yung ano. Harbor Beach. And Opera House. Sa Queenstown, nilipad yung takip nung eyeglasses ko na shades. Wala na, kaya ang shades ko yung malinaw. Sayang. Ganda oh. Bilis. Ng dilaw na yan. Limit.
Ah, di ba ano yan? Parang hindi ka dapat kasi hindi ka pwede
Pwede mag-gets ka dito kasi maganda kasi ako nauupan, mapatay ka sa lamig.
iikot lang pala
May isla sa gitna ng bay. Cute.
You'll see that there are lots of little ferry spots. Ferry
Yung
spots
gitna na yan, yung mataas
spotted
na mataas
around
na may
the
grill
island.
sa
One
ibabaw,
just right
dating
now, which is the
US
ferry
Embassy.
for Darling Point. This means you can get a public ferry to almost anywhere around the harbour.
Ang maganda rito, may nagsasalita.
Siya
Siya na kayo ha, lakas ang hangin eh.
It's the most expensive house ever sold in Australia.
Taas oh.
His friend and the other co-founder of Atlassian, Mike Kennedy, he also bought a house here in Point Piper on the other side of the hill, and that house is called is the Pacific
Yung
Ocean.
Harbor Beach.
Has really lovely
Opera
beaches,
house,
and it also
opera.
has
And
some
ito
really
yung
cool pubs and music
mahilig
venues,
mag-opera.
cafes, markets.
Pero ang misis ko
Yeah,
nandyan.
it's just a very, very
Alam mo
popular
na ako,
place
Twitter Bird?
for Sydney
Yes,
siders as
thank
well as
you.
tourists.
Ayun, may lighthouse na puti. Ang cute. Ito, maraming yate. Ayun na. Ayun na, ano. Dalawa ang city, oh. Ito yung isa. Tsaka ito yung kabila. Sydney, hindi ko
You
alam kung
can
ano to.
access this part of the national
Yun yung, ang ganda, oh.
Taronga Mini
Silhouette.
beautiful view in the local indigenous language.
Dalawa
The
yung
zoo
city, isa
has
doon.
very high welfare standards
May Harbour
and also
Beach,
a
may
world-class
Opera House, ito yung
conservation
Sydney.
breeding program.
Galing, ah.
It's really one of the world's top. In the distance on the right-hand side are an area called North Sydney.
Ah, North
That is
Sydney.
basically the overflow from
North
the
Sydney.
CBD of Sydney and is connected by the bridge.
Harbor Beach.
It's actually
Opera
easier to get
House.
to the north side of the bridge
And
than
this is
ever
the
due
Sydney
to the building of the
city
new
proper.
Sydney Metro that has been operated.
360 degrees. Kasama na yung captain of the ship. Ikot. Ganda, oh.
Mag-group picture
Ah, sige. Okay.
It's constructed from 56,000 tons of steel from Lincolnshire in England.
It's the Opera House.
The type of bridge is a steel through arch bridge, and it actually doesn't need the pylons that you can see that look like they're holding it up, the stone pylons at each end. It actually can stay up itself.
Oh. yung nagsasalita. Ito ating mga kasamahan. Ayun. Kakape-kape. Sayang, oh. Kung ang Pilipinas, yung Metro Manila, malinis ang ilog at bay. Naku, sarap ipasyal ng mga tao. Sa atin, puro papel eh, nakakadiri. Grabe, pagpasensya, talagang yun ang nakikita ko eh. Yan lang yung totoo. Ganda ng building, oh. Parang Dubai, ah. Sagad na, hanggang dito na lang. Up close and personal. Sydney. Ganda ng buildings, no? Nakatuwa. Sagad na, hanggang dito na lang pala yung bay. So, kaya papunta tong tubig na to, palabas. Ganda, maganda.
Just up on top of the hill in the direction of the bridge, there
Ayun
are
yung
some
bridge.
old terrace houses that are part of an area called the Rocks. This was the original housing area for the settlement, the European
Ba't
settlement.
ganun? Wala silang dumi sa, sa bay.
It's very
Wala
small,
silang plastic.
and not a lot of food, so a lot of poverty and a lot of starvation.
Ayun ang ating, ano. Ganda na ano, oh. Linis. Kita mo naman yung kailang mga ano, oh. Mas
Green
ganito,
area is
Pilipinas,
also
wala.
part of Barangaroo. It used to be
Wow,
a
nakita sa
large
Pilipinas, sana
sandstone
ganito
hill,
tayo
but
kaganda
as it
sa
was
ano.
excavated, the
Hindi
sandstone
tayo
hills were
madali sa
put down here to
environment
create the
natin.
seawall. All the trees in this park are native.
Uy, may
There's
sharks
Port
pala rito.
Jackson shark, which is completely harmless. But we do also have bull sharks and occasionally a great white shark.
Uy,
But
great white
bull
shark.
sharks are probably the one that Sydney siders are most worried about when we go swimming.
Yan, pabalik na kami with Charlie. Ganda, ang ganda. Doon na kami, sa harbor na kami doon. Ganda, satisfying. Okay, ito Mrs. ko, sulit kami sa aming pagpunta. Enjoy na enjoy. Yan, tapos na kami. Thank you.